I'm a religious man, thus I consider this smile holy. Here we go again. Oh, God. Oh, I've been wanting you for a long time. Oh, open up. Oh, come on, baby, come on. Oh my God. Why won't you open up right, baby? Why won't you open up right? Oh, come on. Oh, there's that little opening. There's that little opening right there. Oh, come on. Yeah. Ah, oh, you sneaky little thing. You sneaky little thing. Oh, I got you. I got. Oh, you're all mine. Oh, you're all mine. You're all mine. I'm so sorry. I waited so long for this, and for it to end so soon. I'm sorry. Oh, I was doing fine the last time. I don't know what happened. I don't know. All this waiting. I'm sorry. I thought it was better than this.